Hello, I'm Leo from BEFORWARD Japan, and today I'm here to introduce you this 2012 Mazda Demio 13CV Smart Edition. It's a 5-door hatchback, lightweight, fuel efficient, comfort for the passengers. There's a lot of features on this hatchback. Here on the front, this amazing hatchback. We had in purple color. You see the big headlights. It comes with fog lights as well. Beautiful chrome Mazda logo. Very nice hatchback. This model, it comes with original wheels, 14-inch with wheel covers on it. Here we have on the turning signs. We had in the front on the headlight, and also here like a support. Side mirrors, bright and shiny. Very nice. The fuel tank of this model we have on the left side. Here on the back, see, very compact, nice design hatchback. Here we have the braking lights with the turning signs on it. The Mazda logo, Demio. To open the trunk, just press the button and it's open. Take a look. Even with the middle seats in the passenger position, you can see that you have a lot of luggage space on it. But if you need more space on it, you just press the button on the side seats and drop the seats. Now you have full load capacity on this lightweight hatchback. Cool. To put it back, simple. Anyone can do. Just grab the seat, pull back until it locks. The same way here. Locked, safe, and you're good to go. To close, you also have the place where you can put your hands to easily close the door. Let's take a look on the passenger seats. I will go inside. Well, we have more space than I thought. Nice. Fabric seats. Clean. Yeah. Even though it's a hatchback, you see, you have like a kind of a high feel, a high roof feel inside the car. You don't feel like in a small car smashed inside. You can travel like a comfortable here. Let's take a look on the driver's seat. Yay, nice and clean. Yeah. Automatic, power steering wheel, the volume, air conditioning. This one is keyless. It's not a push start button, but it is a keyless. You don't need to place the key and turn on the engine. If you have the key with you, you just turn and it's on. Cool. This model, we had 75,000 kilometers on the mileage. Here we had let me turn down the volume. As you can see, it's working properly. On the dashboard is very simple, everything you need. The speedometer, the RPM meter, and here on the right side you have the fuel and the mileage that the car had run. Let's take a look at the engine. Pull here. Let's go see the front. Yay! Nice. This engine is a 1.3 liters petrol or gasoline. The fuel consumption is about 23 kilometers per liter. Very fuel efficient this car. Nice. If you're interested in buy this car, or if you're interested in buy other cars at low prices, check the link in the description below. Please also check the link here to see how to import cars from BEFORWARD to your country. You can send inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP. Check the list of local offices on the description below. We may have a local office near to you. You can visit our website BEFORWARD.JP and check high quality cars at low prices. If you like this video, please share with your family, friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget also to hit the bell so you'll be notified of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.